Welcome to Module 5. Today we are focusing on SEO, or search engine optimization. Think of SEO as the practice of optimizing your website and its content to rank higher in search engine results pages, or SERPs, for specific keywords related to your products or services. It is essential because over 90% of online experiences start with a search engine, and websites that rank on page 1 of Google receive 75% of all clicks. By mastering this, you help your website gain organic traffic, significantly reducing your reliance on paid advertisements. We're going to cover how search engines actually work, the critical factors that influence rankings, how to decipher the search results page, and how to align your content with user intent and specific keywords. To understand how to optimize, we first need to understand the engine itself. Search engines like Google follow a three-step process to determine rankings: web crawling, indexing, and ranking. First, they use bots, known as crawlers, to scan and discover web pages by following links, much like a librarian scanning millions of books to create a digital catalog. Next comes indexing, where this gathered data is stored in a massive database and organized based on content and relevance. Finally, we have ranking. When a user searches, Google retrieves the most relevant results from its index, considering over 200 factors to decide which pages appear first based on authority and relevance. Now, let's look at what specifically influences those rankings. Google's algorithm prioritizes useful, high-quality content that matches the user's search intent. However, it's not just about words. User experience, or UX, is vital. Google favors websites that load fast, are mobile-friendly, and are easy to navigate. Additionally, you need authority and trust, which is often established through credible backlinks from trusted sources. Underpinning all of this is technical optimization. Your site must be secure, typically using HTTPS, and it must be structured in a way that allows search engines to easily crawl and index it. When a user enters a query, they land on the search engine results page, or SERP. It is important to distinguish between the types of results they see. You have organic results, which are websites ranked based on SEO and are unpaid, and paid ads, which appear at the top with a sponsored label. You might also see featured snippets providing quick answers, or rich snippets that include enhanced details like ratings or prices derived from structured data. Within the organic listings, the title tag acts as the clickable headline, while the URL serves as the direct link and credibility indicator. Beneath these is the meta description tag, a brief summary of the page content which, while not a direct ranking factor, is crucial for encouraging users to actually click on your link. This brings us to a core concept: search intent. We need to understand why people search to create a holistic content strategy. There are four main types of intent: navigational, informational, commercial, and transactional. Navigational intent is when a user is looking for a specific site, so you must optimize for your brand name. Informational intent means the user is looking for answers, which you can capture with high-quality blog posts and FAQs. Commercial intent occurs when users are evaluating options, best served by comparison content and reviews. Finally, transactional intent means the user is ready to buy, requiring streamlined, secure product pages with strong calls to action. To connect your content with these intents, we use keywords. A keyword is simply the word or phrase a user enters to find information. We distinguish between short-tail keywords, which are broad and high volume like laptops, and long-tail keywords, which are specific phrases like best laptops for graphic design students. While short-tail keywords are highly competitive, long-tail keywords target niche demographics and generally result in higher conversion rates because they are so specific to the user's needs. To wrap up Module 5, remember that SEO implementation is divided into two main categories: on-page and off-page SEO. On-page SEO involves optimizing what is actually on your website, such as using keywords naturally in your content, optimizing your meta tags, and using proper header tags like H1 and H2 to structure your information. Off-page SEO focuses on building authority outside of your site, primarily through link building to acquire high-quality backlinks, engaging in social media SEO, and leveraging online PR and influencer marketing. By combining a technically sound website with high-quality content that targets the right keywords and intent, you can effectively drive organic traffic and succeed in the search results. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next module.